Hello guys, welcome to SkillMiner aptitude course. Today we are going to see the topic ratio, proportions and partnership. Here in this topic there are no predefined formula to by heart here. Just understand the question and solve the problem. Okay. Coming to the first question. This question is just a basic model. Observe the question. The ratio of A and B is 1 is to 2. Ratio of A and B is 1 is to 2. The ratio of B and C is 2 is to 3. Ratio of B and C is 2 is to 3. What is the ratio of A and C? We need to find ratio of A and C. In question it's given that ratio of A and B and ratio of B and C. We need to find the ratio of A and C. Okay. In this type of problems, what you have to do, you separately write the variables. That is A, B, C. These three variables are mentioned in the question. The ratio of A and B will be 1 is to 2. Right? Ratio of B and C is 2 is to 3. Observe guys, since the number B has a common ratio in both the cases, we can directly write the ratio of A and C as 1 is to 3. This will be our answer. 1 is to 3 will be our answer. Okay. Since the ratio of B is common in both the cases, we can write directly the ratio of A and C as 1 is to 3. Now we can move to next problem. See the next problem. Ratio of B is to A is 1 is to 2, which means A is to B will be 2 is to 1. Okay. And ratio of C is to B is 3 is to 4, which means ratio of B is to C will be 4 is to 3. We need to find A is to C. Write the variables. There are three variables A, B and C. Here we have A is to B as 2 is to 1. Here we have B is to C as 4 is to 3. Now observe guys, the B value is not a common one. We need to get common B value. We need to multiply the first statement with 4. So if we multiply the above statement with 4, ratio of A and B will become 8 is to 4. B and C will become 4 is to 3. Now we have common B ratio. Okay. Since we are having common B ratio, the ratio of A and C will be 8 is to 3. This 8 is to 3 will be our answer. Okay. If A is to B is 5 is to 9, B is to C is 7 is to 4, then find A is to B is to C. There are three variables A, B and C. A is to B will be 5 is to 9. B is to C will be 7 is to 4. For getting A is to B is to C, since B is the common ratio in both cases, this value will be same, should be the same. So for getting these should be same, I am multiplying the above statement with 7. I am multiplying below statement with 9. So A, B, C, A is to B will become 5 sevens are 35 is to 9 sevens are 63. B is to C becomes 63 is to 4 nines are 36. Now B ratio becomes equal in both the cases. So I am writing A is to B is to C is equal to 35 is to 63 is to 36. This will be the right answer. Okay. The ratio of A and B is 1 is to 2. See, there are four variables A, B, C, D in this question. A, B, C, D. Ratio of A and B is 1 is to 2. Ratio of C and B is 4 is to 3. C is to B is equal to 4 is to 3, which means B is to C will be 3 is to 4. Okay, B is to C will be 3 is to 4. Then ratio of C and D is 1 is to 3. Ratio of C and D is 1 is to 3. We need to find the ratio of A is to D. For finding ratio of A and D, this B ratio and C ratio should be equal. Okay, as in case of previous problem. Now I am coming to first case, A, B, C. For getting this equal, I am multiplying 3 above and 2 below. So ABC becomes 3 is to 6. B and C becomes 6 is to 8. Okay. Now I got B ratio as same. Now I am coming to D. C is to D is 1 is to 3A, right? Huh? Now for getting this equal, I am multiplying 8 in D. So A, B, C, D, 3 is to 6, 6 is to 8. This ratio will become 8 is to 3 8s are 24. So now B ratio is equal and C ratio is also equal. Intermediate ratios are equal. So we can write A is to D as 3 is to 24. Okay. It will become 1 is to 8. This is our required ratio. 1 is to 8 is the right answer. If 1x, 2 and 6 are in continuous proportion, find x. Question it's given that 1x, 2, 6 are in continued proportion. Continued proportion indicates 1 by x is equal to 2 by 6. Okay, this is the meaning of continued proportion. Now I am cross multiplying these values. So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, which gives me the value 3. So value of x will be 3. 3 is my answer. The mean proportion value of 9 and 16. Mean proportion indicates 9 by m is equal to m by 16. Let m indicates mean proportion value. Okay, let m indicates mean proportion value. As per the given question, 9 by m is equal to m by 16. Now I am cross multiplying this, which implies m into m is equal to 9 into 16. M squared is equal to 144. So m will be root of 144, which gives me the value 12. So mean proportion of 9 and 16 is equal to 12. 12 will be the answer, right answer. Okay, guys, please familiar with the concepts continued proportion and mean proportion. Okay, from the previous problem and this problem, you may know, you will came to know that what is continued proportion and mean proportion. Okay, now we can move to the next problem. Divide rupees 981 in the ratio 5:4. We need to divide the amount 981 in the ratio 5:4. Here total ratio is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So in ratio of 5, the amount will be 5 divided by total ratio into the given amount. Okay, 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9, 9 9s are 81. 5 into 109, 109 into 5, 5 9s are 45, 1 5 is 5, which will gives me rupees 545 in ratio 4. 4 divided by 9 into 981, 109, 4 into 109, which is equal to rupees 4 9s are 36, rupees 436. Once check, add these two, 545 plus 436, you will get the value 981. So the amount 981 is divided in ratio 5:4 as 545 and 436. 9 is the whole ratio, 5 and 4 is the divided ratio. Okay, these are the amounts. Now we can move to the next problem. The ratio of number of chocolates with A and B is 3:4. Okay, there are A and B. Number of chocolate with A and B is 3:4. Okay, if A has 12 chocolate, A has 12 chocolates. How many chocolate do A and B have together? We need to find the total chocolates. Find total chocolates. A is having 12 chocolates. B chocolate, we don't know. We keep it as X. Okay. As per the question, A by B is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 12 by X. Chocolate is divided in the ratio 3:4. A has 12 chocolate, B chocolate we don't know. We can cross multiply this. 3x is equal to 12 into 4. 4 12s are 48. X will be 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16. So A has 12 chocolate and B has 16 chocolates. Okay, we found that B has 16 chocolate. So total chocolates will be A plus B is equal to 12 plus 16, which is equal to 28 chocolates. So the total number of chocolates will be 28. This will be our right answer. The ratio of two positive integers is 1 is to 2. Let the positive integers be A and B. Okay, we can write their ratio as 1x is to 2x. The ratio of two positive integers is 1 is to 2. This is the first condition. If 5 is added to first number, the ratio becomes 2 is to 3. Okay, which means if 5 is added to first number, that is 1x, second number remains the same, the ratio is becoming 2 is to 3. This combinedly we can write it as 1x plus 5 divided by 2x, which is equal to 2 is to 3. Now we need to find the two numbers. Cross multiply this. 3x plus 15 is equal to 4x. 15 is equal to 4x minus 3x is equal to x. So x is equal to 15. So A will be 1x, which is equal to 15. B will be 2x, which is equal to 2 into 15, which is equal to 30. So the required number are 15 and 30. Okay, guys, once again listen. The ratio of two positive integers is 1 is to 2. Okay, the two positive integers be A and B, the ratio is 1 and 2. I am writing it as 1x is to 2x. If we add 5 to first number, that is, if we add 5 to first number, the ratio is becoming 2 is to 3. Okay, from this we can form the equation, we can solve the equation so that we will get the x value. If we know the x value, we can find the value of two numbers. The ratio of A and B is 2 is to 3. We can write it as 2x is to 3x. Okay, this will be our first condition. If B is decreased by 20, in question it's saying that if B is decreased by 20, A is remaining the same, B is decreased by 20, B is 3x will be the B. If B is decreased by 20, the ratio becomes 1 is to 1. Okay, this combinedly forms second equation. Find the original value of B. Now we can write 2x divided by 3x minus 20 is equal to 1 by 1. I am cross multiplying this. 2x is equal to 3x minus 20. 3x minus 2x is equal to 20. So x will become 20. Okay, now I found the x value. Question is asking B value. B will be 3x, which is equal to 3 into 20, which is equal to 60. Now I found the value of B, which is 60. Okay, 60 will be the answer. Now coming to 11th question, the ratio of number of cooks and number of waiters. Let C indicates cooks, W indicates waiter. The ratio of certain number of cooks to number of waiters is 3 is to 13. I'm writing it as 3x and 13x. Okay, this will form first condition. When 12 more waiters are hired, okay, what they are doing, they are hiring 12 more waiter, which means they are adding 12 more waiter. The ratio is becoming 3 is to 17. Cooks remains the same, but the waiters added by 12. Okay, they are adding 12 to the waiter. The ratio is becoming 3 is to 17. This forms the second condition. Second condition I'm writing as 3x divided by 13x plus 12, which is equal to 3 is to 17. I'm cross multiplying this. 17 3s are 50. So 51x minus 39x, which is equal to 36. 51 minus 39 will give me the value 12. 12x is equal to 36. So x will be 36 divided by 12, which is equal to 3. So the value of x I found as 3. Now our question is, how many cooks are there? Okay, cook is 3x. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. There are totally 9 number of cooks. Okay. Now I'm moving to 12th question. The monthly salary of A, B, C are in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 9. The monthly salary of A, B, C are in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 9. Okay. I'm writing it as 5x, 4x, 9x. C's salary is rupees 2000 more than that of A, which indicates C salary difference between C and A salary will be 2000. 9x minus 5x, which is equal to 2000. This is the condition. C's salary is 2000 rupees more than A's. Okay, this is C salary, this is A's salary. It is 2000 rupees more than A. 4x is equal to 2000. X is equal to 2000 divided by 4, which is equal to 500. Okay, X value I got it as 500. In question they are asking salary of B. B salary will be 4 of X, which is equal to 4 into 500, which is equal to 2000 rupees. So B salary will be 2000 rupees. This is the required answer. The sum of money is distributed among A, B, C, D. Some money is distributing among A, B, C, D in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Okay, I'm writing it as 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. If D gets rupees 9000 more than A, which means D is getting 9000 rupees more than A, that is difference between D and A will be 9000. Okay, so 3x is equal to 9000. X will be 9000 divided by 3, which is equal to 3000. X value I found as 3000. In question it's asking what is B share. B's share will be 2x, which is equal to 2 into 3000, which is equal to rupees 6000. 6000 rupees will be B share. Okay. The ratio of income of A and B. Ratio of income of A and B is 7 is to 6. This I am writing as 7x and 6x. The ratio of expenditure is 5 is to 4. Ratio of A's expenditure and B's expenditure will be 5 is to 4. I am writing it as 5x and 4x. At the end of year, each saves rupees 2000. Okay. At the end, savings will be 2000 rupees for each. Then the income of B. We need to find B's income. Guys, there is a formula. Savings is equal to income minus expenditure. Our saving will be difference of our income and expenditure. Okay, always income should be higher than expenditure, so that only we can able to save the amount. Okay, if we are earning 5000 rupees, our expenditure is 3000 rupees, if our income is 5000, expenditure is 3000, then our savings will be rupees 2000. Okay, this is the concept. Now we can plot AB, income, expenditure, savings. Okay, income of A and B ratio 7x, 6x. Expenditure ratio is 5x and 4x. Savings is 2000 rupees each. In question they are asking income of B. We need to find the income of B, that is 6x we need to find. Okay, we are having the formula saving is equal to income minus expenditure, which means saving 2000 rupees is equal to income minus expenditure, that is 6x minus 4x, which is equal to 2x. So x will be 2000 divided by 2, which is equal to 1000 rupees. X is 1000 rupees. Okay, so income of B will be 6x. Income of B is 6x, which is equal to 6 into 1000, which is equal to rupees 6000. Rupees 6000 will be our answer. That is the income of B. Ramesh and Ravi invest rupees 85,000 and 15,000. Okay. Ramesh and Ravi are investing 85,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. In what ratio will the profit earned after 2 years be divided between Ramesh and Ravi? Year of investment is 2 years for both Ramesh and Ravi. Okay, since the year of investment is same, which implies the profit ratio will be equal to their investment ratio. If the year of investment is same, the concept is their profit ratio will be equal to their investment ratio. Okay, their investment ratio is 85,000 divided by 15,000, which is equal to 85 by 15. 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 35, 17 by 3. So profit ratio of Ramesh and Ravi will be 17 is to 3. Okay, this will be our answer. Three members ABC are investing rupees. There are three members ABC are investing rupees 35,000, 45,000 and 55,000. Okay, this is their investment. C's profit is given as rupees 40,500. Okay, C's profit is given as 40,500. No, we need to find C's profit. Given that total profit 40,500 will be the total profit, we need to find C's profit. Okay, now we can find the investment ratio. 35 is to 45 is to 55. In fifth table, 5 sevens are 35, 5 nines are 45, 11 fives are 55. So the total ratio will be 7 plus 9 plus 11, which is equal to 27. C's profit will be, since C's ratio is 11, 11 divided by total ratio is 27 into total profit is 40,500. This will become C's profit. Okay, I'm multiplying this. Third table, 27 will come 9 times. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Okay, ninth table, 1 9 is 9, balance 4, 5 9s are 45, 11 into 1500, which will gives me the value rupees 16,500. So here what we are doing, we are finding the separate ratios. From that we are finding the total ratio. Okay, question they are asking C's profit. C's profit will be C's investment ratio divided by total ratio into total profit, which is rupees 16,500, which is the correct answer. Thank you guys.